Let me show you how to pull your TikTok organic performance data using ChatGPT and InsightfulPipe and get a full report with insights and recommendations. Go to InsightfulPipe connectors and click Add Connection. Choose TikTok Business. Select the TikTok account you want to connect, then click Connect. The connection is saved. Copy the MCP server URL. In ChatGPT, go to Settings, then Apps, then create a new app. Paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, name it, and click Create. The InsightfulPipe MCP is now connected to ChatGPT. Now write the prompt. Ask ChatGPT to pull TikTok organic performance data for the last 30 days, including views, engagement, and follower growth, and provide insights and recommendations to improve future posts. ChatGPT connects to TikTok through InsightfulPipe and starts pulling the data. It retrieves the account stats and all recent videos to cover the full 30-day window. The report is ready. It shows 27 posts, over 12,000 views, 399 engagements, and a 3.1% engagement rate. The current follower count is 93. It ranks the top performing posts by views and engagement rate. The best post on pulling Google Analytics data into Google Sheets got over 1,600 views. The report highlights what is working. Posts showing a specific business result from one prompt outperform generic connector announcements. Platform, specific demos, and automation angles get the strongest engagement. ChatGPT wraps up with clear recommendations, including leading with the end result, doubling down on the strongest content pillars, and adding comment calls to action to boost interaction. That is TikTok Analytics with ChatGPT and InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.